I walked into the valley, shadows stretching wide, a desert full of silence. Every hope had died. You asked me, can these bones live? I whispered, Lord, you know. Then your spirit moved upon me, stirred the dust below. And in the stillness of that place out there, your words broke through the air. Come to life, come to life. Breath of God, breathe on these bones tonight. Rise again, rise again. From these ashes you will make me stand. Holy Spirit, fill my lungs with life. I come alive, I come alive, I come alive. I heard these bones assembling, rattling into place. Strength returned like lightning as you cover them with grace. But still they lay in waiting till the breath of heaven blew. A mighty wind of mercy calling me to you. You said, my child, I raise you up again and place you in your land. Come to life, come to life. Breath of God, breathe on these bones tonight. Rise again, rise again. From these ashes you will make me stand. Holy Spirit, fill my lungs with life. I come alive, I come alive, I come alive. You open graves, you pull me out. You break the chains of fear and doubt. Come to life, come to life. Breath of God, breathe on these bones tonight. Rise again, rise again. By your Spirit I will stand again. Holy Spirit, fill my lungs with life. I come alive, I come alive. By your breath I come alive.